Breastfeeding is a beautiful journey that nourishes both your baby's body and your bond together. Here are some simple yet powerful tips. 1. Find a comfortable position. Whether sitting or lying down, make sure you and your baby are relaxed. 2. Offer your breast whenever your baby shows hunger. Cues like rooting or sucking on their hands. 3. Ensure a proper latch. Your baby's mouth should cover most of the areola, not just the nipple. 4. Stay hydrated and eat a balanced diet to keep your milk supply healthy. 5. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Lactation consultants can guide you through challenges. Remember, every mom's breastfeeding journey is unique, so be patient with yourself. With love, patience, and practice, you and your baby will find your perfect rhythm.